Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete Happn account. For that, first of all, launch your Happn application on your device. Then, on the top right, you will see human icon, tap on it. From there, if you scroll down, there you will see settings option, go through it. Now select My Data option. From here tap on Delete My Account. Now from here you'll have two options, either you can pause or delete your account. If you choose pause option, then you will be invisible to other Happn user, but still your files and conversation will be saved. But if you choose delete my account, then all of your conversation will be deleted. If you still want to continue to delete your account, then simply tap on delete my account option. Give them the reason why you want to delete your account and tap on continue. Again tap on bye bye Happn. And that was it. You have successfully deleted account in Happn. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.